Hey everybody, it is Saturday afternoon and we are down here in the shop. I just got done removing the driver's side fender off of this. Tomorrow we're going to get the doors off and I'm probably going to make a video on doing that. And then after that we're going to get the bed off of this thing and any other little pieces and parts that I want to take off right away. I can't really think of any off the top of my head, but Wednesday, a couple days ago, 3 days ago I guess, was my birthday, and Leanna, which I know you haven't met her yet, she has spoiled me rotten. Holy cow. We she took me out to eat to a place called the Big Steer down in Des Moines, and yeah, it was probably one of the best steaks I've ever had in my life. Took me out for that. She had lobster, I had steak. I'm not going to even tell you what the bill was on that, but she spoiled me on that. Got me a new coat, new shoes, new cologne. Let's see, a new t-shirt. She went all out on me. So anyway, it doesn't really have anything to do with the truck, but I have been spoiled the last couple of days. But yeah, getting down here and working on the truck again. It's starting to warm up out, and I can keep it halfway warm in the shop. Actually, when I get to working on something, I gotta shut the heater off because I get hot. But shoulder's feeling a lot better. I went and got a shot. I don't remember what day it was. I don't know, Thursday or something. And that has helped a whole lot. It was starting to really ache bad, but I couldn't sleep, and so I went and I called them up, and yep, they got me right in. Might have been Tuesday. We had it was really cold. They had a bunch of cancellations, and I got right in and got me a shot in my shoulder, and everything is a heck of a lot better right now. So it's supposed to be not too bad weather-wise here the next few days, and gonna get working on the truck, get these doors off, get working on the bed, and then probably get this truck out of here and start doing some body work. But otherwise tonight, not a whole lot going on. I just wanted to put something out there for you. Well, she made, I don't know what she calls it, Mexican corn dip or something. I went up and had some, and it was really good. She may eat it all before I get there. I don't know, but she is an amazing woman, and things are going really good. So yeah, you can hear it banging around. It's blowing pretty hard out, but it's not all that cold out right now. I don't know what it is, maybe 40 degrees, but just down here in the shop messing around. Got that fender off, and gonna get doing more on this tomorrow, and I'll probably make a video on getting the doors off, and then getting the bed off, and then getting the brown truck in here, and getting to work on stuff. I want to get doing the body work. I want to do some body work. I fix that little thing on the fender there, and then get to work on the bed. I know I've got some sweatshirts in my coat hanging there on the truck, but anyhow, guys, we're gonna get going on this, and this is gonna be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to doing some body work. I haven't done any in a while. Need to get some body filler. Other than that, I think I'm good to go on doing body work. So anyway, guys, just a quick little update for you here tonight on this Saturday. Well, it's almost 4:30 in the afternoon, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.